For today's video I am going to show you what does potato do to you. A potato is a round vegetable that grows underground and has white flesh with light brown, red, or pink skin, or the plant on which these grow. Potatoes are grown in Benguet, where the climate is cold. This takes 80 to 100 days from planting to harvesting. Potato juice is a natural astringent. This means that it contracts skin cells and promotes youthful skin. It also improves the appearance of pores. Potato has a high iron content which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Potato is rich in lysine, which is a quality protein for building and repairing tissues, skin, hair, and fingernails. Potatoes contain antioxidants, as well as vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, B6, and potassium, which can help with heart and digestive health. Potatoes are abundant in potassium, says the National Institutes of Health, a mineral that supports your nerves, muscles, kidneys and heart. You'll feel fuller after eating them, which can support weight loss.